welcome back to another video. You're watching PhoneZone.ua with me, Karishma. Today we are going to talk about Samsung's another variant out here. So let us get ahead with the video. This is Samsung Galaxy A7 out here, a 2015 variant out here and a very interesting model. कह सकते हैं कि ये मॉडल काफी ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग रहा है and this model has always been in the market for n number of reasons. One such reason is the structurality, because it offers amazing features, amazing qualities, amazing things out here. And talking about Samsung Galaxy's this variant, we can say that Samsung Galaxy's A7 model out here, yes, A7 model out here, is really amazing because it offers you 2600 mAh battery, which is really worth it. 2600 mAh battery is really worth it. Whereas the screen size is of about 5.5 inches, yes, 5.5, 5.5 inch की screen size है, which is really amazing out there. And again, when we talk about this variant, we can say that it is a variant which offers you a good storage capacity, resolution, processing system, everything out there. Having a storage capacity of 2 RAM, yes, 2 GB RAM storage capacity, and storage capacity, if we specifically talk about it, तो कह सकते हैं 16 GB की storage capacity है. Yes, it has 16 GB storage capacity and 2 GB RAM. But offering you expandability is something which we all would love to have. Yes, expandability is also there. You can have expandability out there, which is approximately up to 64 GB. Yes, 64 GB तक expand हो सकता है ये variant. Offering you a camera of about 13 megapixel. It offers amazing things. Like 2016 के variant की बात करें तो कह सकते हैं कि हाँ उसमें भी कैमरा देखने को मिला था, सिंगल कैमरा था 13 मेगापिक्सल and this also had a single camera of 13 megapixel. Offering you 5 megapixel front camera, we can say it's a very good versionality phone out here. As well as when this variant is out there, when we talk about this specified variant, when we talk about this version out there, we can say that this variant offers amazing quality, amazing featuring out there. As well as when we talk about the software operating system of this variant, it operates out on Android 4.4. Yes, this operates on Android 4.4. As well as you get to see all the connectivities out here. Everything could be seen. Connectivity की बात करनी हो या 3.5 jack की बात करनी हो sensitivities की बात करनी हो, किसी भी type की चीज की, it can be seen out here. Talking about this variant, we can say it offers n number of specifications and comparatively to 2016 and 18 models, we can say it is really amazing version out here. And now when we talk about this variant, when we talk about this version, we can say that this offers you amazing prices on various sites. So one such site is available with us. Yes, we have a site which offers you amazing pricing for this, and the site name is PhoneZone.ae. Yes, this is the site name, PhoneZone.ae. You can log into the site by Google, or you can check out the description box. As well as you also get to see that this category, all mobile phones, offers you n number of specifications, n number of gadgets from these reputed brands. Yes, these are the list of brands which gadgets are available on this website. You can definitely check out that. Apart from that, you get to see 6 months warranty period and 7-day exchange policy too. Yes, 6 months warranty and 7-day exchange policy can be seen out here. As well as you can to see a search icon out there. Apart from that, yes, you get to see the search icon which offers you to search your favorite gadgets. So we are going to search Samsung Galaxy A7 and the results are out. As we see the results, this is a description box having all the specifications mentioned out here. Yes, you can see all the specifications. As well as you get to see there is a condition written on the top. The condition is written refurbished condition. So let us talk about refurbished condition and see how is it different from other. So brand new. Like if we talk how the brand new products are into the market, like company, the main base out there. Then we have the marketplace, and then we have the users. Same thing goes out here, but the difference lies out is the user out at the end. The brand new का जो last part था user वो हमारा base बन जाता है. That is the base now. Now that base that user has pre-owned the phone is now reselling it to the marketplace, and then it is checked, verified, and made absolutely newly like how it was before being used. Then it is again resold to a user. So this is how they are connected. So we can say extension of brand new is refurbished, and the term itself describes creating something new like. again creating new, like we can say all these things for refurbished. Now, when we talk about refurbished, we can say that refurbished product and brand new products are quite similar for their testimonialities, their we can say about everything out there, their parameters, their testing, their specifications, features, storage capacity, connectivity, everything is same. Now, when we talk about these specifications, now when we talk about the parameters, there are involved n number of parameters like the external and internal parameters. These are the major classifications. Majorly external और internal parameters. External की बात करें, if we talk about external parameters, we can say external parameters include the display, their buttons, the intactness around there, camera quality, video quality, audio quality out there, as well as it involves everything which can be seen externally, like battery कैसी है, charging कैसा हो रहा है, whether the display has a scratch or not, is the cover placed, camera is placed absolutely on the correct position or not, whether it has glass front or not, if it is mentioned out there. जो भी specifications company ने mention किए होते हैं external factors के, वही आप check किए जाते हैं. After that, it comes to the internal factors which are like the operating system, chip system, its processor, its every internal factor like SIM recognition, connectivity, sensitivities out there, colorization, data connectivity, data wiping, data recovery, everything, all the other specifications. चाहे उसके sensitivities हो, sensors हो, कुछ भी हो, सब इसमें check किया जाता है. After that, when it is checked out, we say that this is given a certificate which is known as refurbished or certified refurbished certificate. Yes, these are the two certificates we can give. Refurbished certificate or certified refurbished is absolutely same thing out there. Now, when we talk about this variant, when we talk about refurbished products, we can say they offer you some kind of advantages. Like number one is nothing else but savings. Yes, you get to have savings. And how do you save? First of all, how do you save? Brand new products are actually very highly expensive. They are quite expensive out here. Whereas the refurbished products are in pocketable rates. Yes, you get to have refurbished products in your pocketable rates. So we can say that these two becomes a difference out there. मतलब brand new और refurbished की pricing में difference होता है. You usually save up to 15%. And it can be more, but gives you a huge savings. As well as you get to have 6 months warranty. मतलब 6 months की warranty मिलती है refurbished में, whereas in brand new you usually get 1 year warranty. But once a phone has been pre-owned और अगर हम एक बार पहले कोई एक phone use कर चुका होता है, तो usually it happens that you do not get any warranty period. But now you get to have 6 months warranty for the refurbished product. Apart from that, you get to have 7-day exchange policy. Yes, you get to have 7-day exchange policy too. So you can say that this offers you a great advantage out there. You get to have really exciting advantage for this. Now, when we talk about this variant, let us go back to the site and check what all things we can see on the site. This is the site I'm talking about. We were talking about PhoneZone site, and it offers you the same specifications. 6 months warranty, 7 exchange policy, COD, free shipping out there, 100% original products out there. Everything can be seen out here. Now, when we talk about free shipping, as you have seen, there is free shipping out here, free home delivery. We can say that free shipping is like within 48 hours, most of the parts of UAE have their free home delivery at their doorsteps. You can have your products. Whereas in Saudi, it might take up to a week. Yes, in Saudi, it might take up to a week. But we can say that this offers you a great offering out here. So for bus pricing, do check out the website. And for more details, you can call on a helpline number, or description has the link. You can directly go on the link and place your orders. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.